Good evening. So it is approximately 5 o'clock, well, 6 o'clock now, evening meal time. So in any second, the chime will chime and then I'll be able to go get the food. I'll go get my food.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished the meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты, возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.
Okay, it's time for the meal. Oh, glass is off here. Some sort of soup. Sweet fruit drink. Still haven't decided what it is. Water. Another water. And the meal. There we go. It's hard to get in. All right, so we have chopsticks and a spoon for the soup. Okay. I don't know what it is, but it looks exciting. Okay, so we've got two compartments here, one with protein and rice. And then the compartments here, we've got a little bit of a sandwich, some salad dressing, and some pickles. Okay, so we'll try the meat first. I don't know what kind it is. I will assume it's pork. Let's try it. There we go. It's very good pork. I'll try it. Sandwich. There we go. Sandwich. I don't know what's in it. I'm excited. I think it's some mayonnaise, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. It's good though. The pickle's a sweet pickle. It's not the worst pickle in the world, but I prefer dill. Let's see what the salad dressing is. I think it's a standard fare here. Oh no, it's not. It's purple. Can you see that? Purple. Purple salad dressing. See that purple dressing? Look at that. Now the flavor could be anything. Purple salad dressing. It's pretty exciting. Normally in America we don't have purple salad dressing, so we're gonna try it out and see what it tastes like. Gonna get every last drop so I could fully enjoy my purple salad dressing. If Luke Skywalker could have blue milk, I could have purple salad dressing. How exciting. It's sweet and tangy. It tastes like grape. Grape salad dressing, how unusual. Let's try the soup. Let's see. So in the soup, it's a broth. It's a clear broth, has cabbage in it. So it's kind of a cabbage soup, I would assume, but flavor, I don't know. It's not very salty. It's cabbagey. I do taste that. If it has a meat broth, I wouldn't know which kind. I'll say pork. Pork with cabbage. Just because that's what they paired it with. So I would say pork-based cabbage soup. Now, let's see. I think we're going to figure out this little drink today. Figure out what it is. It's especially hard to open today. I'm especially anxious to try it today. Oh, there we go. All right. It tastes very tropical. So maybe a little pineapple. You know, it's like a luau without all the fun. Yes, kind of a Hawaiian punchy, no, not Hawaiian punch, but a luau without fun. That's what that drink exactly tastes like. A less fun luau. So let's see, more pork. I've got to try more of this. It's really quite good. You know, I'm trying to think if I have any words of wisdom. Well, when you're on lockdown, enjoy the food. Dress for the occasion. Enjoy the moments you have. Enjoy the moments you don't. We've got plenty of time to enjoy ourselves during the 10-day lockdown. So, when you're in a lockdown and enjoying a dinner, have fun with it. Play with your food if you must. Eat your food and enjoy the moment. I think that's really what we're supposed to do. Now, if you have any questions, comments about the food, leave them in the comments below. Down there. Now, if you have any comments about my dress, forget about it. It's my personal taste, and it's none of your business, really. So anything else you have to make comments about, go ahead. Well, that's about it for today. So what we're going to do is I'm going to leave you with the sound of the chime, and then I'll exit out. No chime. Let's see if we can try that again. Seems like it may not be working today. There we go.
객실 문 앞에
There we go. Somehow that got messed up. Now, no more technical delays. We're going to hit the button and we'll hear the chime. And I'm out.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished the meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.